In this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick look that I did on my Facebook Live. I had on my orange wig, which of course was voted on by the viewers. So I did a look to kind of go along with it. First, I started with my brows. Then I put some concealer on my lid, just to carve out that shape and everything. Then I went in with like this orange transition color. And this kind of brought in the orange from the hair, kind of warmed up my eyelids a little bit. And I went in with a lighter shade on the brow bone, as I always do. You guys already know this. And for that lighter shade, I went in with like a yellow. Then I went back into the orange just in case some of that yellow kind of took away the orange. Then I went into this brown and put it in my outer V. And I worked it in a lot, but it wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be. So I went back in and added a darker brown to give me that dark outer V area that I really like. And here it is right here. You see how that's much darker. Then I went in to cut my crease using my NYX eyeshadow base. And I used my finger to kind of blend it out. I didn't want it to be like a sharp cut crease. I wanted it to kind of just cover my lid per se. So I kind of diffused that out with my finger to have like a nice transition. And then I went ahead and packed on some of this light orange eyeshadow. Now I'm going in to add my foundation, and here I just scooted my wig back a little bit so that I could get the foundation on my forehead. And I'm using the Mary Kay bronze number 3. And this is the matte wear. After I blend all of this out, I'm going to start my highlighting. And I like to kind of highlight in 2 steps. I like to use the Mary Kay bronze number 1 to highlight, which is what I'm doing now. And then after that, I like to go back in with the Mary Kay concealer to highlight. And for me, this gives me the kind of bright highlight that I like. Of course, you can stop here. Some days I would stop here and just highlight with the foundation, but when I want my highlight to pop a little bit more, I like to go back in with the foundation, with the concealer. So this is the Mary Kay concealer. As you can see, it's a lot lighter. And I put it in those same areas, except I don't put it under the contour. And I am blending all of this out with my kabuki brush. If you have seen my videos, you know I love this brush. I sell this brush on my website, so if you want one, just leave me a comment below. And check the description bar. It's a link to all of my websites and where you can purchase everything that I use, from the makeup brushes, from my lashes, to my hair extensions, my units, everything. Now I am setting that with my Mary Kay pressed powder. And I love this brush as well. This brush is by Mary Kay. And for me, this brush just really gets that powder in there. So that's why I like to use this. And I'm going to set everywhere where I applied that concealer. Now I'm going in with a darker pressed powder to set the rest of my face. If you guys have any suggestions of any kind of videos y'all want to see, please leave it in the comments below. I have a lot of great things that I want to show you, but I really want to know what you all want to see. I have been getting a lot of subscribers, which is awesome. So comment and let me know what you want to see so that I can keep giving you what you all want. Here you can see I am going in with some highlighting powder, and this is the illuminating palette from Actilabs. So if you want to check out Actilabs, my link is in the description bar below. This is the contour palette, and in this video I was trying out the contour palette and I really liked it, but for my liking, I like a darker contour, so I went back in with my Duo contour palette. See, this is what I'm going to use now because that contour wasn't dark enough for me. So I'm just going to go back in to darken that up to get those cheeks a little bit more snatched. So I really do like the palette. I have it in my makeup kit along with the other palettes from Actilabs. So make sure you check out my Actilabs website because we might have something that you want. Don't laugh at me. So this is number 760. It's this beautiful red, which I might do that. Then we have this kind of like nude pink shade. This is number 735. And what I love about these crayons, this is a really pink. This is number 716. What I like about these is you like twist the bottom and it kind of rolls up. And they're just easy to apply. They're creamy. I just really like these a lot better than like traditional lipstick. This is 719. This is 750. It's kind of like a red pink, kind of like a magenta type color. And this one is like a hot pink. So I think I'm going to apply the red one. Oh, if I can find it. Okay, there we go. So first I need to line my lips. And this is a dark brown. I use a black sometimes. It just depends on what kind of look I'm doing. And y'all see how smooth that comes on? It's just creamy. It's just amazing. That's just perfect. Yes, I love that. That's gonna be like my favorite. And these are only, they're like $6. So, but yes, so this is the look. So let me know what you guys think. I love it, of course. So yeah, now I have to take some pictures.